Hi traders, it's Tomek here from Nikos Trading Academy and welcome in my weekly Forex Forecast. Before I go to charts, I would like to invite you to join me on my 5 days live workshop which I organized 5th of June and the main topic this time will be mindset and Renko, but my main focus is to help you to understand the role of mindset in trading. Why? Because very often traders are looking in the wrong place. They always think that something is wrong with the strategy or that they need some new indicator to build some edge, etc. But most of the cases, your real reason that you cannot succeed in trading or you make some mistakes is mindset. So during this workshop, I will help you to understand what is the real reason of your trading obstacles and where to find them, and of course I will give you a simple day trading scalping strategy on Renko. So if you are interested, just go below this video in the description. You will find a link to this website. By clicking this button here, you will also watch the video where I explain a little bit more details about this workshop. So now let's go to charts. First pair is Aussie dollar, US dollar. What we can see on the weekly chart that the price gained some volatility, broke 36 EMA and started to push up. However, there is no continuation yet. It seems that price or is retracing on the lower time frames or will get rejection and will get another false breakout, but we don't know yet. I like this situation here. Now we have this trend line. We also had this trend line which was broken, so that's why this is still interesting scenario for me. We have also next area of the resistance up here, so if this is the real breakout, price might go even to retest of this. If we look for this trend line, this also price was making higher lows. So if we go to daily chart, this is what I said about this breakout. As you can see here, we had this previous range, we had this false breakout, price went up and now it's breaking this area and is making for us daily long 1 to 3. If we look for area of the resistance of the daily chart, we will see that it's around this zone where price reacted. Next level is on the daily might be here, so next possible stop, and then of course we have this area as a long-term weekly target. So what I like here, we have this daily long 1 to 3. So I will be looking for possible long scenarios to target this high, and then of course manage pair for another levels. As you can see here right now, we have short 1 to 3s, but we know that this is not good area to sell. Why? No, because we have the daily 36 EMA. So what we can do right now, definitely it's worth to look for possible long scenario on the 1 hour chart here, or if you like, you can wait for 4 hour chart long 1 to 3 and then try to catch it here, or of course combinations with lower time frames. We still have to wait. Maybe price will, you know, make this double bottom, false breakout, and later on will start to break. But definitely for now, as long as the daily 36 EMA is holding, I would be interesting to look for possible buy scenarios. CADCHF weekly chart, as we can see, price is in the range, but it seems that it's building some momentum right now. In case if price breaks this range, this is area where price might to go for possible maybe trend change, because we have this weekly trend line breakout or just retracement from the monthly and then still continue with this down move. Now if we go to daily chart, what I like that we are, you know, close to this and we still haven't broken this daily trend line here. So this range is narrow. We have this trend line, but we also have this area of the support. So basically I'm more interested to look for this and target that. But if price, let's say, play around here and won't continue but still try to break this, you can look for short scenarios to target this area of the support. But keep in mind that this is still a situation that we are in the range. If we go to 4-hour chart, we see right now momentum, but we still have to wait for this, and ideally for that I wouldn't trade here. This is around 45 50 pips, so this is a little bit too small area to trade. I would wait patiently to see breakout. Maybe we'll get this week. If not, of course we will, as long as price stays here, we'll be looking for this breakout. Euro New Zealand weekly chart. This is our support zone. This is our trend line. It's still pointing down. We are below the 36 CMA. Seems that the price might continue to push to this bottom. It still looks okay on the weekly chart for sells. We had opportunity there, but I missed this trade. I will show you where. Now, what is happening here? Let me just unzoom a little bit the charts to see that price is sitting around the area of the support, as you can see. So we had this spike. Yes, price just spiked. It's a little bit stopping right now, so it's not like pushing. We have this area of the support, so our price will react on the daily, and after daily reaction we will get daily long short 1 3. Will be looking to sell and target this previous bottom, and then possible continuation, or we will look for possible breakout of this area now, and then late entries with the 4-hour chart with the lower time frame combinations if price of course breaks this area of the support. And the entry which I missed was here. It was not it wouldn't be triggered with the live option, only with the pending order, because the setup happened during the night. But this was good scenario because we have this line, so pending order, stop loss, and 2 targets were hit here. But unfortunately, no, I forgot to place the trade. Now we have this, so we have to wait for breakout or this, yeah, and then we look for short scenarios. Another option for very aggressive traders, day traders, is that whenever price breaks this trend line, yes, and you will, let's say, have long 1 2 3 here, you can look for trades against the main direction and target daily 36 CMA. But this will be aggressive trade because we have still small trend. It's not like, you know, big trend ongoing. Then we have chance that price will really retrace to the 36 EMA. Sometimes the retracement is not so large, it's a little bit small. You get the setups, and then price is making short scenario and it's making continuation. So but for the day traders, scalpers, is possible this option also, but wait for breakout. Don't trade in this zone because it's too narrow. There is no point. GBPCAD, interesting because broke very powerful resistance on the weekly chart, and where is the next area is a little bit higher here, and we also have next area up here. So basically, as you can see, after breakout we can have possible another 200 pip move, or even 400 500 pip move. So daily chart looks you see interesting because it built momentum. So now, because it was broken, we expect some retracements, ideally to the 36 CMA, and then possible continuations on the 4-hour chart or on the 1-hour chart. Or if you go to 4-hour chart, we see that price went up quite strongly, so we don't have right now reason to jump in on the 4-hour chart. But as with the retracement on the 4-hour chart, 36 CMA, possible 15-minute entries or 1-hour chart combinations are okay. If we go to 1-hour chart right now, I would wait patiently for price to retrace to the 4-hour chart 36, and then after breakout look still for possible buy scenarios. Yes, I wouldn't take any short entries here. Target 4-hour chart 36. However, no, if you are day trader, scalper, this might be your reason to look for short and then target 4-hour chart 36 CMA. For me, it's a little bit too aggressive. I prefer to see retracements, continuations, and yeah. But it's also possible because price broke 12. You have enough room. If you have enough room to 36, price went up without bigger retracement, so maybe at some point price will retrace to this zone. And GPN is the last. It's still, you see, pushing up, but we almost, basically we also reached the previous stop. In case no, if we pay attention for bigger perspective, let me go back to the history. We will see that on this area was strong. Next area of the resistance is up here. So this might be for us next possible level if price breaks and continue. This move is still very strong. As you can see, price moved up for around 2000 pip without any bigger retracement. So what can happen if we go to daily chart? Because of this possible double top, maybe we will get reaction and price will start to drop. If yes, of course, our target is what? Daily 36 EMA and daily trend line. First we'll get 36, then we'll get this line. If we go to 4-hour chart, you see it's still climbing. Not the highest point is up here, but basically we can say that we are already on the resistance zone. So the question is when we get, of course, this bigger retracement. Confirmation is always, as a confirmation, we might use this 4-hour chart trend line. Whenever price, play around here after breaking of this trend line, after retracement, we can expect bigger retracements. Why? Because we'll get confirmation from the 4-hour chart that price might create different scenario. As long as the 36 EMA holding and trend line on the 4-hour chart, it's still good looking as a buy. But of course, right now we have only buys as a late scenarios, so just combinations, some retracements, 5-minute entries, 1-minute entries as a day trading scalping. If you won't get setups, but let's say price continue to go up and reach this, another option to sell this is to just wait for 1-hour chart trendline breakout and then look for possible short scenarios, but your target will be still 4-hour chart trendline. Yeah, so basically, as long as this trend line is holding, I wouldn't try to sell it. Yes, it's too strong, so wait patiently. If you get possible long scenarios, perfect, you know your goal. If you get breakout, this will be your first sign. If you want to get a little bit better confirmation, of course, it will be 4-hour chart 36 EMA. And the last one is gold, like always. I forgot to put on my watch list, so let's do it now. So weekly chart, yes, we had this reaction, double top. No, I was stopped out in this trade, and I explain the whole reason behind of that. This is the daily trend line. This is another daily trend line. And we also have trend line here, but this will be like a 4-hour chart line. So basically, I wouldn't use it. We have the 36 CMA. So now it's what is happening. Price retrace here. Area of the support is this previous bottom. So this will be interesting if we have reaction and another up move, or we'll have drop and price will stop here and then will react. We will see what will happen. And it's still strongly pointing up. Yes, if we pay attention for the daily and weekly, it's still pointing up. Right now we have just strong reaction around this area. So basically, to look for buy scenarios, I would still look for this trendline breakout. Yes, so I would pay attention to what will happen here, and then after breakout, I would buy it. And to sell this here, this will be aggressive because we are here around the 36 CMA of the daily chart, so that's why it will be for me too aggressive. But if we get confirmation, let's say price will create new lower low and lower high, you can try to take this and try to target this previous bottom with the trend line, but keep in mind that this will be aggressive. I will be more interested to see that price is stopping here. There is also area of the support, of course, on the 4-hour chart here, and that price is playing around, and after breakout I will be looking again to target this resistance. So I would prefer to see this, but like I said, if you get new lower low, lower high, this is also opportunity for you to sell this, target that, and if this is broken, then we can have even deeper retracement. But we will see next week what we will get here. So guys, that's all from my side. Again, I would like to invite you to my workshop. The The main topic this time will be mindset. Like I mentioned before, it will be 5 days live workshop. We will meet at 5 of June. If you want to learn more details, just go to this website by clicking the link below this video in the description. Use play button to play video where I explain more. If you scroll down, you will get the full workshop highlights. So as you can see, I will explain you how our mind operates, how our emotion and core beliefs are causing our mistakes when we trade. I will also explain you how to make mindset journal, and then of course I will cover strategy with the classic charts plus Renko combination together with the special EA for this. And if you scroll down, you will have full workshop plan with more details. Also, everything will be recorded. We start 7 p.m. London time, and we will have 3 sessions in a row. And then we have during the weekend we have small break. Then we will meet on Monday, and then we will have like a 1 week break. And after this break, we will just summary the previous week, and I will answer all your questions, all your doubts. The idea is that you will start to work with yourself, with mindset technique, with the Renko strategy, and then after 1 week, I hope you get some conclusions, so I can also still answer all your questions. Okay, so guys, thanks a lot. Wish you all great Sunday, and we hear soon. Bye.